Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to change audience settings to comply with COPPA in YouTube. If you're a YouTuber, you may have come across an important message posted on your YouTube channel regarding mandatory compliance with COPPA. Now, I'm not going to get into the details of the COPPA settlement because I've written an in-depth blog post, and you'll find the link in the description section as well as a link in this video. But just to briefly explain, the FTC, or the Federal Trade Commission, imposed a huge fine of $170 million on Google and YouTube for violating the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, and part of the settlement was for YouTube to develop, implement, and maintain a system in which videos are identified as made for kids. And this is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So I'm logged into my YouTube channel. First, I'm going to show you how to change the audience settings at the channel level. Essentially, this is the global setting. It's going to be applied to all of your videos. So click on Settings in the left side panel, and you'll see the dialog box pop up. Go to the Channel section, and then click on Advanced Settings. Here you'll see three options, and the option you choose will really depend on the type of content you create. In my case, I'll choose the middle option, that is, my content is not made for kids, and then click the Save button. Now let's go back to the channel dashboard, and I'll show you how to change the audience settings at the video level. Go to the Videos section, and it'll display all your videos. I'm going to use this filter box and search for specific videos that I created that may be deemed as made for kids. So even though I did not make these videos specifically directed towards kids, as per COPPA, they may be deemed for kids because of the content. So I can check an individual video or multiple videos, and then use the Edit drop-down menu and choose Audience. You'll see these two options. I'll choose Yes, it's made for kids, and click Update Videos. You'll see a warning message indicating that this change cannot be undone. Click the checkbox to confirm, and finally click Update Videos. Now, before making these changes in your audience settings, I'd really encourage you to read this blog post so you have an understanding of the implications of these COPPA changes. And more importantly, please submit your feedback to the FTC so we can ask them to reconsider these changes. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.